Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor, and if something is truly amazing, people say that's the greatest thing since sliced bread. Well, this recipe today may not be as revolutionary, but it certainly will make that bread a lot tastier. So let's whip up some blueberry basil jam. Let's dive in. Grab a medium-sized pot and add in some blueberries, water, and sugar. Now add in some lemon juice. This will release the natural pectin in order to make this jam a jam. Last but not least, you'll want 4 to 5 good-sized basil leaves and roughly slice them before adding them to the pot. Give that a quick mix on high heat until it begins to boil. Then turn the heat down to low and simmer covered for 10 minutes. You may notice I'm using a plastic spoon. That's because the blueberries will stain all of your nice wooden spoons and possibly get you in trouble, so I'll save you that stern talking to. Now that everything has sweat out its delicious flavor and is nice and soft, grab a potato masher and mash everything together until you don't notice there's any more intact blueberries. It's all mashed up, so let's put that lid away and turn the heat up to medium. This is going to allow any excess liquid from the pot to evaporate. It should take around 20 minutes or so before you have a thicker paste like this. Now comes the scary part, getting it into the jar. I recommend doing this over the sink because once again, blueberries are amazing at staining things and you can get in a lot of trouble. Carefully pour the jam out into the jar and place that into the refrigerator overnight. It's now the next day and we have a thick jam. It may be a little too dense at the moment, so we may need to mix it before it's bread-worthy. Now let's get a slice of toast ready and plate this dish. Now this is the way to start off a morning right. Our jam is nice and sweet, but not overpowering, and our basil has a wonderful aftertaste at the end. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite flavors of jams in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
Oh, that's hot. Hot, 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 hot. Ah! Ah! That's so hot.